again, everyone. So for today, our project is
carrot bread using the bread maker. Yay!
Also, by the way, before anything else, mga kaibigan, this bread maker, we bought this at a discount. So we bought this at a no tax sales. So it means that we didn't pay any tax in this, and then it was like it was sold at a 50% discount or 75% discount. Basta we bought this at around $30+. And since that we used our points in buying this, so it's like this is free. So we didn't pay anything for this one. So the ingredients are the following. First is our non-stick cooking spray. And then we have 1/4 cup vegetable oil. So what I have here is a canola oil. And then 2 large eggs. 1/2 cup granulated sugar. 1/4 cup brown sugar. And then we also have 1 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. And then we're going to take out from here later 1 teaspoon baking powder. We also have 1/4 teaspoon salt. And then 3/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon. And 1 cup freshly grated carrots. We also have 1/3 cup golden raisins. And also 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, so we're going to start making it. So the first thing that we're going to do is we take this pan and spray it with the non-stick oil. We have to coat it. There. And as usual, liquid ingredients first, and then the dry ingredients after. And then the sugar. As what you can see, we don't have any more liquid ingredients. Now it's ready to be put in our bread machine. And we will set it to quick. Press the menu. So the quick is number 4. And start. And we will wait until it finishes. Okay, so it's almost done. It's I guess it's less than 1 minute. It's beeping. Okay, so I guess it's done. So we're going to stop. Okay, press there, and I'll take it out. So we're going to take it out. And I'll put this in a wire rack. So, and we will let this